We got independence on August 15, 1947 after a great struggle. The main person who struggled for this is Mahatma Gandhi, who is our father of nation. This also at Subhash Chandra Bose, Kodikata Kumaran, Veerapandiya, Kattabomman, etc. I take this opportunity to thank all the leaders who struggled for freedom. We should use this freedom in a good way. I want to end with Gandhiji's quote but that says happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Thank you.